Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today we are going to finally fix this axe. Now, what I believe happened to it was it went through a fire and then somebody, for whatever reason, hafted it and decided to try and use it, which deformed the edge. Or the fire deformed the edge. Could go either way. I've since given it a very thorough annealing, so it went into the fireplace, was brought up to critical temperature, and then allowed to cool with the fireplace over approximately 24 hours. So no stresses are in here. It doesn't have any cracks in it, so it's right to go. What we're going to do is basically heat it to about here, panish out all of the warpage, give it a couple of normalizing cycles, quench it in oil, and then temper it back at about 230 degrees. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit off the top of my head, but probably around about the 450 mark. To hopefully give a nice working edge, and that'll see this project done. So let's get the forge lit and let's have some fun. Corner's still about out. This is one of those jobs that doesn't take long, but takes a lot of planning. Too much there, not enough there. the edge will need to be reground, but I think we're ready to normalise. And now we wait. Okay, a little more exciting than I had hoped for. Nil warpage. Let's quickly find a file. Skates. So that's good. Alright, let's get it into the oven and temper it. I'll be tempering it at about 240 degrees Celsius, which is 465 Fahrenheit. Alright, so it's still quite warm out of the heat treating oven. So it's tempered. Needs a bit of a wire wheeling. Get some of that rust off. But comparing it to how it started out, it is now back to fully functional. Nice hard edge, good and tough. So ready to go back to work. So that's where I'm leaving off. If you've enjoyed this short one, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. So get out to your shop, have some fun, do something simple. Although this was actually quite technically challenging, but yeah, just do something. But above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.